Hi, this is Dave from Volkswagen Tube, and I've been doing some LED lighting. So I'm going to show you the LED lights here. I'm going to go ahead and activate the back. These are Model A replica tail lights that are LED, and I hooked up turn signals, running lights, brake lights, and these here are my backup lights. So we'll start with that. Let me go ahead and light them up for you. Well, we got backup lights, running lights, turn signals, emergency lights, and brake lights. Wait for it. But wait, there's a little bit more. A little bit more. Let's go here. Let's look over here. Let me show you. Let me show you here. This here. We got the front lights too. We got the turn signals, headlights, all going at the same time. So that's what it looks like. Let's do just one little quick walk around. I shaved my door handles in the shape of a pickup truck. So now you got to reach in here and get that door handle. They open so smooth and easy with one finger. I worked 4 days on those doors to make them open and close that smooth. And then we get right back around to the flashing lights. Hope you like it.